Good evening everybody and welcome back to Kev's Footy Fix. It's Tuesday, it's another match day. Today we're at City of Wakefield Golf Club, Gaskell Pavilion for a Sunday League match between St Ignatius and Railway FC. This fixture is in the Wakefield District Sunday League, Championship 2. It's a beautiful place to play football. I've never been here before, despite the fact I've lived in Wakefield District for the last 45 years. But I've never had cause to come to a golf club. Things have changed around here. Where those houses are standing now used to be a catalogue company, Empire Stores, something like that. There's 3 or 4 pitches here. The sun is behind me. And I'll be filming behind the goal. I know very little about these two teams other than what I could find on the internet. St Ignatius were formed in 1966 and come from the Lupset part of Wakefield. And Railway, I believe, come from Nottingley. Used to be called Nottingley Railway FC. But if you look at Facebook, they seem to have dropped the Nottingley bit. In the league table, St Ignatius are 12th, Railway are 7th. Win, lose or draw this evening will make no difference to the league table, but it might do it later on. There's still a few games to play. So we've kicked off. And for those of you who are not familiar, like me, St Ignatius are in the amber and black shirts. Somebody must be a Bradford City fan. And Railway are playing in the purple and yellow, although on their website their colours are green. Goal. So that's Railway 1, St Ignatius 0. The last time these two teams played each other earlier in the month, St Ignatius took the lead. Railway ended up winning 8-1. Goal! Unbelievable. 2-0 Railway. Ooh. The referee has just given the Railway number 8 a warning. If he wants to keep questioning his decision every time he blows the whistle, he can go and take 10 minutes in the sin bin.
Oh, well done, brilliant.
Ooh, good save. Well done, the keeper. Goal. Series of 3 corners, and they end up with a goal. So it's Ignatius 1, Railway 2. And the keeper's gone and hurt himself there. Didn't look like much of a collision, but you can never tell sometimes. He's coughing. I can hear him from here. Hope he's not coughing something up. And he's no. And he's headed off back to his goal. The referee's blown for half time. It's Ignatius 1, Railway 2. See you in the second half. Oh, good save. Goal. That makes it 2-2. Whoa! Ignatius take the lead, 3-2. Wasn't expecting that one. I was expecting to go straight over. And that's hit the ref. Oh, goal. Ignatius lead 4-2. That's a goal. Everybody's calling offside, but it looks like the referee's giving it. 3-0. Oh! In off the bar. That's 4-4. Goal! I actually think I've lost track of what the actual score is, but I think it's 5-4. Soon find out when I watch this back. Goal! And if I'm right, that's 6-4. I've just had it confirmed by one of the players that's out of the game injured, that it is indeed 6-4 to Railway. And that's the final whistle. And so the final score is indeed 6-4 to Railway. If you've enjoyed this video, despite my cock-ups with the score, please like, share and comment and subscribe. And hopefully I've got another video for a game tomorrow. I'll see you then.